How much did it cost to build my PC, and should you get into it? Let's see. The case I'm running is the NZXT H6 Flow RGB. That was $140 for me. Currently running a Ryzen 7 3700X. That was about $210 for me. The motherboard I'm running is a Gigabyte X570 ARS Elite Wi-Fi. That's DDR4, and I paid about $240 for that one. DDR4 RAM, Corsair Vengeance. That was about $90 for me. The storage I'm running, two M.2 SSDs. I have one 1TB and one 2TB. The 1TB was about $80. The 2TB was about $140, so that's around $220. My power supply, it is non-modular, but I paid about $80 for that, 700 watts. It gets the job done. I'm currently running a 3060 Ti. That was about $400 for me because I got the Founders Edition. But right now, I would just get the 4060 Ti. If you want to see the full total, subscribe and go to part 2.